Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on experimental design for data analysis. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google, and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. Providing crisp, clear, actionable points of view to senior executives is becoming an increasingly important role of data scientists and data professionals these days. Now, a point of view must represent a hypothesis, ideally backed by data. In this course, you will gain the ability to construct such hypotheses from data and use rigorous frameworks to test whether they hold true. First, you will learn how inferential statistics and hypothesis testing form the basis of data modeling and machine learning. Next, you will discover how the process of building machine learning models is akin to that of designing an experiment. You will then see how training and validation techniques help rigorously evaluate the results of such experiments. Finally, you'll round out the course by studying various forms of cross-validation, including both singular and iterative techniques to cope with independent, identically distributed data and group data. You will also learn how you can refine your models using these techniques with hyperparameter tuning. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to build and evaluate models, specifically including machine learning models, using rigorous cross-validation frameworks and hyperparameter tuning.